If you are tired of hitting play in processing and waiting several seconds just to see if your code worked, this video is for you. Hey everyone, I am Smriti Ranjan and welcome to Agile Coder. Today I'll show you a VScode extension that I built that gives you a live preview of your processing sketches, so you can code faster, save time, and have more fun. Processing was actually one of my first language that I learned back in college. I loved it because beginners, we need that instant visual feedback. But the biggest frustrating thing was to write some code, hit that play button, and wait few seconds, only to realize my change didn't work. Over time, I realized I was spending more time waiting than coding, so I decided to fix it. I created a VScode extension that lets you preview your processing sketches live right inside your VScode. No more waiting around, just open a PDE file, hit that preview sketch button, and you will see your sketch update instantly as you type. And as a bonus, you can also write P5 code and preview it with this extension as well. This extension uses an NPM package I built that transpiles processing code into P5.js on the fly. That way you get immediate feedback, and as a bonus, you can also use your processing code directly on the web by running it as P5.js. Pretty cool, right? This work builds on the efforts of Darren Kastner. His repo is linked in the description if you'd like to check it out. So give the extension a try, and if it helps you, hit that star on the repo to spread the word. All the links are down in the description. That's it for today. Just wanted to share this tool to make your coding smoother and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.